and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Offbeat Ripjaw wireless rechargeable gaming mouse. As we can see, the package is really flamboyantly designed with the Offbeat Ripjaw branding on the top, an image of the mouse in the middle, and wireless rechargeable professional gaming mouse writing right at the bottom. On the left hand side of the package, we can see some importer and manufacturing details. We can also see the contents of the package, which include one wireless mouse, one nano receiver, one charging cable, and one user manual. You also have the information for the customer support right at the bottom. On the right hand side of the package, we can see the exact model number of the product, which is Offbeat Ripjaw 2.4 GHz rechargeable PC laptop lightweight. We can see that this is a new product, and we have the website for the Offbeat brand right at the bottom. On the top and on the bottom, we have simple Offbeat branding, and on the back are where some of the key technical specifications are. Let's go through them one by one. In terms of power, the mouse uses a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The sensor is an optical laser sensor. It has 3 DPI modes at 1600, 2400 and 3200 DPI. It has 7 buttons, connectivity of 2.4 GHz wireless and wired, and it has a charging time of 1 hour for 50 hours plus of playtime. That is about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. Now that we have everything out of the box, let's see what we get. We get some literature. In this, we have all the information regarding the use of the product and information regarding the warranty as well. We recommend that you look at the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty. We also have the USB cable. We have with a USB type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. In terms of length, the cord itself seems to be approximately 30 inches long. Getting to the mouse itself, we can see that it is really flamboyantly designed once again, just like the box, in a very gamer-centric design. It has some really aggressive lines with a matte rubberized finish on the top and shiny glossy finishes on the sides. We can also see the Offbeat branding on the left click and the symbol, Offbeat symbol, on the bottom. We can see that it has 7 buttons, which include the left click, the right click, the DPI button, which is under the scroll wheel, and the scroll wheel itself is gear shaped for a very smooth and accurate scrolling. And it has 2 more customizable buttons on the side. When it comes to the bottom, we have a switch showing off its LED or on-off state. We have the USB type A receiver. This goes into the PC or laptop or whichever device you want to use it with. And we can see the LED laser optical sensor right in the middle, with the Ripjaw branding right on top. We can also see 4 plastic smooth bases on which the mouse will be at all times, and it is pretty smooth, so basically swiping and using the mouse should be very enjoyable experience. Right here we have the micro USB port, which the cable goes into for charging. Well, this has been the unboxing of the Offbeat Ripjaw wireless rechargeable gaming mouse. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.